Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Sometimes a fetal heartbeat is detected before the fetal pole appears on an ultrasound, usually around 6 weeks. This happens because the heart starts beating when the embryo is still very small. Since it's less common, doctors often schedule repeat scans to confirm and track healthy development.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.